Today we'll talk about energy from living things. So we've been talking about energy, all right? And so we have a couple types of energy. We have the non-renewable, have the renewable, and we have it's on the natural resources. Now we have energy from living things. So we have, for example, biodiesel, and normally, and it gives us uh, ethanol that is mixed with gasoline to make gasohol. And so how do we do that energy? So we can burn biomass. So biomass is an organic matter from living beings. So what's that? Biomass. We have it on plants. It's kind of like the waste, but actually it's not waste. And so it's organic residues. And those residues, they can be burned. But when you burn, that can be transformed into a non-renewable because it's polluting. But I mean, it's kind of half middle, 50-50. It's inexpensive because it can be replaced quickly, but some are slower than others. And we also have, for example, here in the tropics, we have a lot of sugarcane. And sugarcane gives a very good drink, which is this one. But it's called caldo de cana. And after that, what we have the sugar cane. It gets dried because all the sugar is out, so it gets dried, and they can burn them, or they use the cellulose of the sugar cane to make biodiesel diesel with E. All right. And also can be used with used oil, vegetable oil. We can make biodiesel. And we use methanol to make the ethanol, but it's very dangerous. So they purify the methanol after use, and they will try to use it. And we also, the byproduct is glycerin. And there are many studies trying to, well, not this one, trying to know what can be done with glycerin. And so we have, with 1 acre of corn, right, we can make 1,000 liters of ethanol. And then we have the gasohol, which is the mixture between between the two. Is ethanol and gasoline. There is also geothermal, and oh boy, geothermal energy, which we have already hot water under earth, so that's used. It goes out on vapor almost. and also it produces heat and also electricity. And here we end the lesson. We'll begin the next lesson, which is managing resources, which we've talked about energy, how it's used, how it's made,